the new revolution of AI, digital twin, big data that brings a level of intelligence, of automation that is completely new. So we moved from a CAM system that was kind of a conversational tool to help you program to now a true intelligence that is able to take decisions for you. The solutions I'm looking after, we are developing a solution for programming CNC machines. CNC machines have gotten more complex with more complex kinematics, more functions, more equipments to manage. At the same time, the parts to produce have been more complex. We had the revolution of the additive manufacturing that completely flipped the paradigm. Instead of removing material, we'll be adding material. And then we have the new revolution of AI, digital twin, big data that brings a level of intelligence, of automation that is completely new. So we moved from a CAM system that was kind of a conversational tool to help you program to now a true intelligence that is able to take decisions for you. So AI is something we're taking very seriously at Hexagon. I can talk about my domain of expertise. So I'm looking after the product Esprit Edge and Esprit, so CAM system. We've been looking into AI for quite a while, and we have 3 AI kernels implemented in Esprit Edge. And why 3? Because it's different technologies, different purpose. But what is really interesting is that those 3 technologies, 3 kernels combine to provide a higher level of automation. So let me go a little bit more in the detail of this technology. So we're implementing some kind of an advanced expert system that takes a decision using the digital twin data, a very accurate representation of the machine, of its environment, to take decisions for the user. For instance, as a user, I don't need to specify, I need to retract the tool by that much. The system knows everything about the environment and can define exactly what is the minimum you need to retract to keep the machining safe and efficient. And then second technology of AI we're implementing is machine learning. So learning, capturing your best practices, your know-how, to automate and make that even a new programmer right away gets that expertise, can benefit that expertise to become in weeks rather than years an experienced programmer. And the third type of AI we're implementing is a natural language, or your ChatGPT, which simplifies the interaction with the systems. This is still the very beginning, but we'll see a lot more in the future, where instead of interacting, having to learn a complex system and all the intricacies of every single function, you'll just provide your intent to the system that will be able to understand your language, the way you speak to your coworker, and execute those functions. ChatGPT caught fire in like the last 3 years, and now everybody starts to be familiar with the tool. And I think it's a good introduction to understand what AI can be. Now, yes, certain people can feel threatened, and I think it's about accompanying them and explaining what AI does. It doesn't do everything. We just had a panel and explaining that AI can do really bad things as well. It does not always accurate, and so you need the people to give the right information to AI, to direct the AI properly, and then the right people to understand, analyze, and take the right decision. The decision making at the end is still in the user hands. Don't implement the technology for the technology. That's keep your business objectives in mind. For instance, look at your workflow, see where are the pain points, focus on one pain point, get the experts, and then see how those new technology can help you solve those pain points. But yeah, again, the purpose is about solving the problem. It's not about implementing AI.